and everybody was taking him in circles. He called Kidiki, he was taking him in circles. He called Nurudin, he was taking him in circles. He called this Yayamin, he was taking him in circles. He called Kome, they were taking him in circles. He came to me and he explained to me, I'm the Attorney General of the Republic of Kenya. My son has been abducted. Ordinarily, when your child is missing and is in the hands of the police, you move to the High Court and file a process called habeas corpus. Habeas corpus is an application compelling the Attorney General to produce the person dead or alive in court. So Justin Muturi asked me if I file a habeas corpus against the Attorney General and I'm the Attorney General, and it is my child who is missing, how do I produce that child as Attorney General? And this when I listened, I told him, go and face the president. He went and faced the president and said, I want my child. President made one call to Nuruddin Haji, who confirmed we have the child, and he was released. So it is Nuruddin Haji and the National Intelligence Service who have been abducting young people with the full knowledge and approval of President William Ruto. And that is why the president in one rally said, when he was challenged by Raila, we are going to stop this abduction, because he is the one who has authorized them. That is why he can go and say, we have reunited these people. How do you reunite the abductees with the parents unless you know who was abducting them? The president has incriminated himself on evidence now. And these are things that we can actually take him to the ICC, because he has said that these people who are abducted now have been reunited with their families, which means he has been briefed by somebody. Whoever briefed him must be the one behind the abductions. So the president knows who was doing the abductions, because somebody briefed him that the children who had been abducted have now been united with their families. So that person who briefed him knows who was abducting the children, and hence the president knows who was doing the abductions. So he owes the people of Kenya an explanation.
Where?
He owes the people of Kenya an explanation.
Davido, cheza na disclaimer. Cheza na... Where is hot in here? Wow. Who authorized the abduction of the goats in Northlands?
Let me tell you,